Hello, welcome to a new Cube video. My name is Pavel Savianko, and today I would like to show you how you can get a nice overview over Scorpii measurement configuration in CubeGUI. Let's go. Welcome back to our terminal, and today I would like to demonstrate you how you can get an easy and comfortable overview about the configuration of your Scorpii measurement. So I assume you are familiar with Scorpii and how one performs measurement. If not, then I would refer you to the user guide of Scorpii. One can find it on the Scorpii website. And here down there is documentation, so one can open and study actually how one does Scorpii measurement. I will not go about this into the details of Scorpii measurement. The only what I would like to mention is that the measurement is controlled to its biggest part via environment variables, and one can get a list of these variables here in user guide in this chapter. So one can see that one can set the Scorpii, enable profiling, true and false, tracing, true and false, and. So this is a list of all variables which are controlling the Scorpii measurement. If one performs measurement, one obtains so-called measurement experiment directory. In this case, this Scorpii Janos 2 times 3 trace, and one gets their various files. And in the file manifest md, one can, for example, get explained which file does what or contains what. So in this case, the Scorpii measurement produced manifest in md. This has this file, Scorpii config, that is the list of used environment variables, and Scorpii filter file is copy of the applied filter file. And it was also a tracing experiment, so there is a tracing store, .ftracing. So here one can see that one has set explicitly these 5 variables. The other variables were had the default values. So we can take a look at this file. So that is the list of all active Scorpii variables. One can always, of course, inspect the file directly, but here I would like to demonstrate how CubeGUI does it. So for that we start our CubeGUI and open this experiment in Cube. We get standard screen, and here right side you see the list of tabs, and this is actually grouping of plugins on their different basically types. So in this tab there are all plugins are gathered together, which are displaying system tree or view over the system. Then there is a special tab for topology and the general, where general plugins are gathered, like source code viewer, and that is our point of interest today, is Scorpii configuration. This is basically the table where all variables are listed with their used value, and here one can get also help for this variable if one uses if one keeps the mouse over this variable, and then tooltip appears with an explanation what this variable does with its default value and what kind of type of value does it take. This is only display, so one cannot change these values. To change these values, one should correct either the submit job script or command line which one used to do the measurement. And that is actually all what I wanted to show, because that is very simple plugin, but I think it is very useful one, because in a very easy and fast way one has a overview over config variable. So for example, we can see that here is the profiling was disabled, tracing was enabled, it was not verbose, one has set 300 megabyte as a memory pool for Scorpy, and with the 8 kilobyte page size, one selected the experiment directory name with overwriting, and then there are some Linux, machine was a Linux, this value, for example, is was not set, the timer is set, and then various another settings, like for example the profiling format was selected as a Cube4, and one can see that there is actually multiple formats which are supported: taup snapshot, Cube4, cube tuple, thread sum, thread tuple, key threads, and. So for that one should study actually the user guide of Scorpy to understand what every setting does actually. So clustering was enabled, but probably not used. Filter file name is here. There are plenty of settings were not set. Topology was enabled. Maximal number of communicators is set. The groups of events, and. That's all. I hope you like this video. Please comment, press a subscribe, give us a like, and see you next time.